Here we are going to discuss a very interesting question from heights and distances. First of all, we will try to understand the question. Here question is, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So first of all, we will sketch a diagram and then it will be more clear. Suppose here AB is tower, transmission tower, and BC is building. AB is tower and BC is building, correct? And from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of point B means bottom of the tower is 45 degree and angle of elevation of point A, I mean top of the tower, is 60 degree. So suppose point P is here. Here angle of elevation is 45 degree and this angle of elevation is 60 degree. So here we have to find out the length of this tower AB, height of the tower. Fine. So let us try to find out AB. You can say length or height of the tower. Here height of the building is given, 20-meter high building. Height of the building is given, this is 20 meter. BC is 20 meter. Let us calculate AB, height of the tower. And when you will add 20 meter to this tower, then it will become height of this point A, top of the tower from ground level, correct? First of all, here we will take a right angle triangle BPC. So in triangle BPC, we can write here tan of 45 degree is perpendicular is BC and base is PC. And you know tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to BC is 20 and PC. So therefore PC is equal to 20 meter. Now it becomes 20 meter, correct? Now in right angle triangle APC, in right angle triangle APC. So here tan of 60 degree is perpendicular will be here in triangle this APC. AC is perpendicular, this is perpendicular, and base remains same PC, which will be 20 degree as we got just now. Clear? And you know tan 60 is root 3 and AC is AB plus BC, AB plus BC, and in place of BC we can write 20 divided by PC is also 20. So this can be written as AB upon 20 plus 1, correct? And you know value of root 3 is 1.732 minus, you transpose this one to left hand side, minus 1 is equal to AB upon 20. So therefore AB is equal to 0.732 into 20. which is equal to 14.64 meter. 14.64 meter. This is the height AB. But whenever you have to measure the height of the top of the tower from the ground, you will have to 20 here. So therefore, if you have to calculate AC, as I told, height of top of the tower from the ground, so AC will be how much? AB plus BC. This is equal to AB plus BC. AB is 14.64 and BC is 20. So this is equal to 34.64 meter. This is the answer.